A perfect projector for the education market. Let's look at Panasonic's new Solid Shine Laser Projector, PT-FRZ50 series. Image quality. The one-chip DLP Solid Shine Laser Projector, PT-FRZ50 series, features Panasonic's proprietary Quartet Color Harmonizer technology. By combining a cutting-edge laser source, high-quality DLP chip, heat-resistant phosphor wheel, and an optimized color wheel optical engine that controls laser light source power for different color segments, an excellent brightness is achieved, maximizing the light source energy while retaining the sharp color reproduction. The PT-FRZ50 series offers two options: a dynamic mode, focusing on the brightness, and a graphic and standard mode, focusing on color. The dynamic mode clearly prioritizes brightness for projecting documents and presentations. In the graphic and standard mode, it features a rich color enhancer function, which expands the red color segment that is necessary for pure color image expression. The smooth gradation and accurate color reproduction ensure clear and vivid images. Visibility of images is often compromised when they are shown in a brightly lit classroom. The Daylight View Basic function, which is a feature of the PT-FRZ50 series, uses an embedded sensor to detect environmental illumination and adjusts images on a real-time basis, making the projection look bright and clear. Panasonic's original sharpness circuitry, Detail Clarity Processor 3, analyzes the frequency of image signals per scene and extracts distribution information from ultra-high, high, medium, and low frequencies. The enhancement process is optimally added to each area in the image. Dynamic Contrast 2. A digital light modulation technology equivalent to Panasonic's professional models, offers fully digitalized control over scene-linked modulation and ensures exquisite expressions, even when bright and dark scenes alternate instantaneously. It enables precise digital light control, catering to various projection environments, and brings brilliant dynamics for visual expressions. System expandability. The PT-FRZ50 series features a 2x zoom lens to accommodate multiple types of classroom sizes and screens. Furthermore, the wide-range lens shift function enables easy image adjustment just by moving the lens shift stick next to the lens. Panasonic's proprietary cooling system reduces the fan noise, suppresses heat through efficient light source output, and reduces color wheel operating noise to achieve silent operation at 27 decibels in the quiet mode. By connecting a device compatible with HDMI CEC command through an HDMI cable, you can experience a link operation like power on or off for the connected device. Turn on the HDMI CEC feature on the menu screen. And you can also operate HDMI CEC command-compatible devices with the remote controller of the PT-FRZ50 series. The simple operation reduces the stress of having to handle mechanical problems, thereby enabling the presenter to smoothly organize classes and meetings. It also prevents the projector from being left turned on. The PT-FRZ50 series is equipped with a USB terminal offering high output at 5 volts, 2 amperes. This feature enables a simpler system layout, as it does not require additional power plugs for devices using USB connection. The projector can accept an uncompressed 4K 60p input signal. The 4K signal input function smoothly processes 4K input signals and enables the projection of sharp images without the help of a converter and other external devices. High reliability. Dust invasion in the projector significantly affects the image quality. Through years of experiences and technical innovations, Panasonic successfully made the optical block, a unit within the projector most vulnerable to dust, completely airtight. The filterless design established through the combination of dust prevention and effective cooling systems eliminates maintenance work like replacing filters and enables maintenance-free operation up to 20,000 hours. Panasonic's original multi-laser drive engine technology ensures a minimum brightness drop, even if laser light source experiences unexpected troubles. When the laser partially malfunctions, Panasonic's original redundancy design activates the protection circuit. In addition, the corner keystone correction function removes image distortion when projected from a tilted angle. The curved screen correction function delivers flexible installations. This projector can be installed at any angle, vertical or horizontal. The perfect projector for the education market. The PT-FRZ50 series is an easy-to-manage, super simple, one-chip DLP laser projector